To inspect and replace the air filter on your Sportsman 500, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure it is in park, and set the parking brake. On X2 models, lift the cargo box before continuing. Next, lift up on the rear of the seat and pull back to remove. Then, remove the black foam near the fuel tank. Before continuing, clean the area around the air box with a clean shop rag. Next, release the 4 airbox cover clips and lift the cover up to remove. Before continuing, inspect the airbox seal for any wear or damage and replace if necessary. Next, loosen the air filter clamp. Then, slide the air filter assembly off the intake hose. Continue by removing the pre-filter from the air filter and cleaning with hot soapy water. Rinse the pre-filter and allow it to dry thoroughly. Next, inspect the filter for any excessive debris, damage, fuel, or oil and replace if necessary. Before continuing, clean out the inside of the airbox with a clean cloth. Next, reinstall the pre-filter over the air filter. Then, apply a small amount of general-purpose grease to the sealing edges of the filter before reinstalling. Continue by reinstalling the air filter assembly and clamp into the airbox, ensuring the filter is fully seated and resting on the filter supports. Then, slide the clamp over the assembly and tighten until fully seated. Next, reinstall the airbox cover and press down to ensure it is fully seated. Then, secure the 4 cover clips. Continue by reinstalling the black foam around the air ducts behind the fuel tank. Finally, install the seat by aligning the front retaining tabs and pushing down in the rear. On X2 models, lower the cargo box and ensure it is secure. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.